Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to perform a copy on EPSON ET-4700 printer. It's basically very easy to do. You just should select the copy on your control panel. It's here, as you can see. Click on it and choose color copy or black and white copy. If you want to perform in shadows grade copy, just press black and white. If you want a colored copy, so just press color. Of course, you can set up amount of copies. So here we have the keyboard, as you can see, and you can, for example, click 25 and you will print 25 copies of one document. If you wanna click backspace button and you don't know where is the backspace, so just click on C button right here and you will erase unwanted numbers. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.